segment for PappysCorner coming up. I'm going to show you.
Welcome to the corner where Pappy is looking sharp and I'm going to show you the shark. Here it is. Here's the box. I've already done the unboxing and let's take a look at some of the features. This is the Shark cordless rechargeable floor and carpet sweeper. It has the XL motorized brush and it has multi-surface capability. It's fast and convenient, says so right here. Plus, it has 2-speed floor and carpet power settings. A slower setting for the hard floors so it doesn't blow your dirt away, and a higher speed for the carpet to draw the dirt right up out of the carpet. The Shark has the back saver wand, and I'm going to show you that feature. Plus it has the edge cleaner and swivel steering. The Shark is ultra lightweight and has quiet operation. Let's take a look. Okay, put it on step 2, high speed for carpet. Okay, I'll turn it on. And down to stage 1 for floor. Thank you for stopping in and taking a look at the Shark with me today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.